If you're over 50, there's a silent danger you need to know about. It's not a disease, not something you'll feel overnight, but it's slowly destroying your body's strength, balance, and independence. The first place it hits? Your legs. That's right. Weak legs are not just about struggling with stairs or feeling tired while walking. They're a serious red flag, a sign that your body is breaking down. And if ignored, this could lead to falls, injuries, and even long-term disability. But here's the good part. This does not have to happen to you. There are specific foods, habits, and exercises that can help you protect your legs, rebuild your strength, and slow down the effects of aging. In this video, you'll learn exactly what's going wrong inside your body and how you can fight it back starting today. Stay till the end. Your future self will thank you. And if you want more videos that are easy to understand and focused on senior health, make sure to subscribe now. Number 1, why legs get weak as you age? Most people think muscle loss is just a normal part of aging, but few understand why it happens. After the age of 30, your body starts losing muscle mass, about 3 to 5% every decade. After age 60, it gets even worse. This condition is called sarcopenia, but muscle loss is only the beginning. As you age, your bones also become thinner and weaker. The cushioning between your joints wears out, and the nerves that tell your muscles when to move, they stop working as well. That's why older adults feel unsteady, weak, and are at a much higher risk of falling. Falls are the #1 cause of injury deaths in seniors. But this doesn't mean you're helpless. You can fight this and win with the right plan. Number 2, why strong legs are so important. Your legs are like the foundation of a house. If the foundation is weak, the whole house is at risk. Your legs carry your entire body weight, help you stand, walk, and move safely. But their role goes far beyond just movement. Strong leg muscles, like your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, protect your joints, improve posture, and reduce the chance of pain in your knees, hips, and lower back. They also support your heart. Every time you move your legs, your muscles help pump blood back up to your chest. This improves circulation and reduces the risk of blood clots and heart disease. Even your brain depends on your legs. Yes, that's true. Studies show people with stronger legs have better memory and thinking ability. That's because active leg muscles send signals that support the growth of brain cells. A study from King's College London found that leg strength was a stronger predictor of aging than even cholesterol or blood pressure. So if you want to protect your independence, heart, brain, and future, your legs must stay strong. Number 3, nutrition that protects your legs. Food is fuel, and the right fuel can keep your legs strong, even in old age. Start with protein. Your muscles are made of protein, but as you age, your body becomes less efficient at using it. That means older adults actually need more protein than younger people. Aim for 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Great sources include lean meat, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, and lentils. Next, you need omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, which protects your joints and helps with recovery. Good sources include salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Vitamin D and calcium are also critical. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't absorb calcium, and weak bones are the result. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified foods. Calcium is found in dairy, leafy greens, and almonds. Also, include antioxidant-rich foods like berries, spinach, and nuts. These fight oxidative stress, which causes muscle aging. And don't forget water. Muscles are 75% water. Even mild dehydration can lead to tired, weak legs. Drink at least 8 cups of water daily, more if you're active. Number 4, top foods to eat for strong legs. Here are 7 of the best foods that support muscle strength and leg health. Eggs, packed with complete protein and essential amino acids, especially leucine, which helps build and repair muscles. Greek yogurt, high in protein and probiotics that support digestion and nutrient absorption. Choose plain, unsweetened versions. Salmon, full of protein, omega-3s, and vitamin D, all essential for muscle and bone health. Quinoa, a plant-based complete protein that also provides energy and magnesium for muscle recovery. Lentils, great for fiber and protein. They help control blood sugar and support muscle health while managing weight. Almonds, a perfect snack. They contain protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your muscles. Pumpkin seeds, packed with magnesium, protein, and healthy fats. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax properly. These foods are not magic, but together, they help build a strong, balanced diet that supports leg strength and total health. Number 5. Exercises that rebuild strength and balance. Food is essential, but it's not enough. To really protect your legs, you must move your body. Start with strength training. Use light weights or resistance bands and focus on exercises like squats, lunges, and leg presses. These help rebuild muscle and improve bone strength. Begin with light resistance and increase slowly over time. To improve balance, try standing on one foot for 30 seconds, then switch legs. Once that gets easy, try doing it with your eyes closed or on a pillow. Tai Chi and yoga are also great for coordination. Rebounding or jumping on a mini trampoline is a powerful tool. It's fun, gentle on the joints, and boosts blood flow, muscle strength, and lymph drainage. A few minutes a day can make a big difference. And don't underestimate walking. A 30-minute brisk walk each day improves circulation, strengthens legs, and keeps your body active. Add small bursts of jogging or walking uphill to boost your heart rate. Number 6. Calf muscles. Your calf muscles do more than help you walk. They act like a second heart, pushing blood back up toward your chest. This keeps circulation strong and prevents problems like varicose veins and blood clots. When you jump on a rebounder, your calf muscles are always working. That's why rebounding is so effective for leg strength and blood flow. To train your calves, try calf raises. Stand, lift your heels slowly, hold, and lower down. Try one leg at a time for more challenge. Jump rope, a fun way to boost strength and cardio. Stair climbing, use real stairs or a machine. Both build your calves and glutes. Seated calf raises. These focus on the soleus muscle, important for stability and long walks. Strong calves improve posture, balance, and reduce injury risk. Number 7. Why rebounding is so powerful. Rebounding works in 3 ways: gravity, acceleration, and deceleration. When you jump up, you fight gravity. As you rise, you accelerate. As you land, you decelerate. This activates muscles, improves balance, and supports your brain and lymph system. It boosts muscle strength, especially in the legs. It also improves balance, helps the body detoxify, supports the immune system, and improves heart health, all while being gentle on your joints. And yes, it's fun. The bouncing motion even lifts your mood by releasing feel-good hormones. Start slow with basic bounces. As you grow stronger, add in light twists or jumping jacks to keep it interesting. Aging doesn't have to mean weakness, falling, or losing your independence. With the right foods, proper hydration, and daily movement, especially leg-focused exercises, you can protect your muscles, balance, and brain. Make these small changes now. Eat better, move more, and take care of your legs because they carry more than your weight. They carry your future. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and clear health advice made for seniors. And don't forget, your legs are worth taking care of. Let us know in the comments what health topic you want next. Stay strong, stay independent, stay healthy.